Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy multiple different rows and paste them all at once. Let's get started. As you can see, there are three different data tables in our example. I want to copy one row from each of these tables and paste all these rows in one place. First, go to the Home tab. Open the clipboard option. And then I'll select my desired rows by clicking on it and pressing Ctrl C. Now that I have all these rows, I'll open another sheet and select the cell from where our data will start. Here, you can see the option to paste all. I'll click on it, and you can see that my selected data has been pasted here. This is how you can save time by collectively copying and pasting multiple different rows. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.